Yeah, so going to give this boy a go in the dark. Is it going? There's some proper hang time up there, to be honest with you. Saved me eyes shut last time. Oh, don't do that. Oh, fingers crossed. Hope it works. Hope it works.
I always think when we get to the top, it's going to just collapse.
Yeah, I get a bit worried that the bar might go. Oh God, it's that clunky bit that gets me. Yeah. Here we go. I'm holding on. Oh shoot! Sorry. I did this earlier and I didn't swear once. Oh my goodness me! Oh, you can see right down there, can't you? Yeah, yeah, but it hangs in a minute. It hangs in a minute. Here we go. Oh, whoa, whoa. That's quite long, isn't it? Oh, you can see right out to the sea. Oh, jeepers. So I'm all back now. Oh. You paid to go on this? Oh dear. Whoa. Oh no, it's not helping. No, it's going one more time. Yeah? You sure? Oh, I think that was it. That was it. That's good though. I'll tell you what, that's good fun. Yeah, if you, I couldn't believe when you try and hold yourself into your seat, it hurts your back. That's good fun though.